Hey guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified.
Charlie, good evening everyone. Okese1 in the building. We just released Are You Okay? It's on Audiomack, so you just go on Audiomack, you just type in Okese1, Are You Okay? Just check it out. You know, when it comes to this hip-hop, drill shit, you know we're the best, number one, no doubt. Okay, Tiobiao, yeah, also. So, there is this issue that I've been waiting to touch on. Like right now, I think I have to address them because if I no address people go get some different mentality, then they go get brainwashed. Things we them not know way them go believe. So first of all, we could talk about Okese1. Who is Okese1? That Andy Dusty, they claim say you know even know Okese1. Meanwhile, he call on phone say, oh Okese1 they are the feeling songs, wow, they listen to his songs, are the feeling vibe. So somebody where you the feeling vibe, he come your studio, go fit talk say, gentleman, are you Okese1? Are you this? Are you that? In the first place, as a professional presenter, you should know that artists, they have ego. So your introduction or gentleman, then no, as he say no, this interview no go fit come on, because I was waiting for him to get done with everything. Then I will make him know say you for be professional. Because you know be just anybody they come interview. If I come for your interview, for not say you yourself you are blessed. Yeah, for sure. Because I know they move like that. I don't just walk around and enter somebody in studio and then do anything I want. I they respect people. But I'm not touching on that issue right now. They come show you who I be, then how people foresee me. Okese1 be the CEO of Amotia Gang. Amotia Gang no day under anybody, no day under any other level or something. Amotia Gang be your own movement where they. You back? Now we just entered the music scene. Now Ghanaians are about to witness our works. Then whatever we've planned to bring out, I feel I'm be feeling movement near. So if you don't know Amotia Gang, Okese1 is the CEO, and Amotia Gang is not a movement that people have. It's not how people think it is. Not that we do something scary, something spiritual. It's all about music, then helping people on the streets. As I start my life, nobody helped me in this life. We go fit us say Okese1, it be me, I dey give him this money, Okese1, I give him this, I give him that. Nobody. It be me, the Okese1, I dey support people on the street. I have helped a whole lot of people, but people are really, really ungrateful people. I've helped people on the street with my own money. I've supported other rappers in my career too. I've given them the best support that I could. You bab. So if you see say I did with any rapper with the role, no be say I be in boy or I be small boy or something. I be my own chairman where I dey help people, where I get friends too. So if you use the roll with someone, no be say I get cute face, I get small body, I dey look cute, so you think say I be somebody in small boy. Make you not make the looks deceive you. Okese1 is the whole chairman himself, where they offer help, we go fit offer people. I've helped people, but as I said, people are very ungrateful. No way you can change people. So if you see say I dey with any rapper or I dey with anybody where you think say Okese1, they rather take support from this person, then it be lie. It be Okese1 rather giving out his support. You bab. So I've never been under anyone. People are rather using me. They are rather getting their help from me. I personally, I started having money long time. I started making money long time. I be rich man, I dey my day. I dey support people. I dey do anything I can to help people out. But people sell out. That be why I dey move all alone now. I dey handle everything myself. So make you never think say okay, so one day and do anything. No. We get affiliation with AMG. We be cool. But no be say okay, so one day under something or a day under anyone. No. We dey run on our own movement. I'm Oti again. And I be the CEO. Fifi made it, the manager. We get people in a team. So make it not make anyone brainwash you. You back. So imagine say me I dey on street. I know they do music. I dey just do my business. I dey hammer on my project. I dey build my house. I dey do this. I dey do that. That time I know they do music. Where I just dey help people who were close to me. So if you see say I dey with anyone, no be say I dey with a person for something or anything. Me, I rather they offer my help any way I could. No be the people rather they give me help. No, nobody ever helped me. Nobody ever give me 1 cedi before. Always it be me them go call. Okese1, I dey need this money, do this. Then I say, oh no, yawa, send me account. I go send give you. Okese1, I got stuck here. Help me. I go do all these things we need to talk for outside because I be one real G. But as I said, people are ungrateful because them things say then get the media hype them things, so them go talk something different, give the fans, make the fans rather think different. So let's go to the issue. If we dey on street, you dey with Okese1, where you dey mess up, where I find my way, I dey do my own thing. You too, for do your own thing, you for no try to pinch me down. You dey there, you cover your face, you dey under mask, you dey pinch me. Why you for do that? I dey respect your hustle, you too for respect my own. You bab, you for no dey under, then you dey try sabotage my career. You no go fit do that, cause man is blessed. You think say you get money. When you get money, when you start to get money, we start to get money, we be kiddies. That's why we get respect for people. That be why we dey humble on our body. We know they talk much because we see money. What you see? What you get? When you start to drive Range Rover, when you start to drive better Range Rover, when you start buy Benz, when you start to enjoy life, are you really a landlord? We build house. I built my house. Now I did like 20 years or something. That time I built my mansion. I be rich man. I be big man. I no be kiddie. Say anyone they just come around, they go come play around, and I just go watch and say go. I go watch you, but if you they do one too much, I for address them. I for address you, then position you. You bab. Cause you are be kiddies. Where you rich? Where you rich? Where you rich? What you get? Show me what you get. What you get. But I'm not here to talk about money or something. I just try make people see the situation. You back. And they make people see the situation. So if I know they with you, or you think say the benefit will get from me, I know they deliver them anymore. Where you think say, oh, as you were planning to use me, you know happen. So if I do your own thing, make I do my own thing. If I not they under and the Dusty, if and the Dusty not know me personally, at least and the Dusty they play ye. Almost every night they play ye. He knows me very well. He was just mad that I was 15 minutes late. He kept saying 40 minutes late. He be lie. I accept say I make late. He be 15 minutes late. Where you know be school at the go. So you know go fit meet me then biz me any question anyhow. Because if you talk to me where you know talk to me nice, I go clap back. But even that time self, I still remain humble. I just dey watch him. So if and Dusty, he dey in mind say, oh, Okese1 be someone where he dey under AMG or something. That be what people they think, because I not really come out, can clear the air. I know they under AMG. AMG be a brand on its own. The boss is Chris Waddle. I dey respect him so much. He be a very reasonable person. He dey think far. No be just anybody. He dey talk anyhow. He dey doing things anyhow. Whatever he dey do, the reason. So me, they make I feel Chris Waddle a lot. You bab. AMG be your own thing. Okese1 to be your own CEO. At the handle Amotia gang. Very soon, y'all gonna see what Amotia gang really is. Now just they relax, make we enter the music scene. Then everyone will see. Now we dey inside, and we are not stopping. We are not about to give them the heat. You bab. Forget your favorite, whatever. Okese1 is here. And everyone to go see. So, if and Dusty no really know me where you think say, oh, Okese1 they under this, they under who? Where this issue happen? Somebody where me, I meet you for street where I offer my help, I help you any way I could. If you no go appreciate me, self, make you no go because you don't want stay relevant all the time. You won't push yourself into this issue. You pass everyone in back, you call and Dusty on phone. Oh, boss, it be you way. Oh, we there with the respect. Oh, it be you with the chairman. We there with the respect people. Oh, Okese1 boy. Oh, forget them. You know the pet. You the crazy. Okese1 know the pet. Now you them you who for pet. If you talk about say we dey street, make somebody pet him, but somebody who for pet who? Or because I know they talk or I always they keep mute, things say what? If I know they with you, make you no spoil my name. We dey call industry players say, oh, Okese1 there. Because everyone knows say me then you where we dey. So something happen, they not even get my contact. You then go contact. Then contact you now. Oh, Okese1 there, oh, make you no mind them. This and that. You be sell out. Because we no dey anymore, we dey try tarnish my image for somewhere. Why you be ungrateful like that? If you no go appreciate me, make you no try to bring me down. Cause you meet me for street now they app where you tell me your problems where they help you. So how you go fit make this person where they help you from your heart calm down? We never dey flop. I never do anything where I flop before. That be why I release my song or it be hit. Nobody ever promote Yeye. I just release Yeye now. Yeye go on itself. It just hit because God dey on our side. God no sleep. God start the bless man. No be now. I never stress for this life inside before. So make you know things say you be Ghana music. That's why we say Ghana music. We no say one person in music. Ghana music. If you can't say make you do music, me, Okese1, I know how to do music well. Where Ghanaians go feel the energy, then go feel everything. You bab, but everything be time, everything be patience. We just come. You know, if you just come, no, then everything just they bright. No, it take time to get the attention of the people. You bab, it take everything. They take time. Where I know say Ghana here, it will be very sweet with Okese1 because your favorite artist, your favorite whatever, we just come. So make you all watch out. Then you go know the difference. You go see the difference. you go see the difference. As I dey here, and no be only rapper they do. I feel do love song, I feel do anything. Open gospel cry me now what hear me so me gospel now but say nah, different from all these rappers, different from all these other people that they claim this and they claim that. Now we just enter the scene, make we always see. Ghana for a month more on a share. Watch on our works, watch what we they do. Watch, you go see the difference. Forget them chairman 1, 2, 3 people. Them be fake people. Yo, shouts to family. We there together, bro. Much love them. Respect. Free. So if Andy Dustin don't know me, at least he call you. Okese1 day, I think say day and they tell him say, Okese1 day, the incident, they don't really know what happened. I will talk to him or something, then find out what happened or something. That be what a real brother is supposed to do. Because no matter what, as brothers, if something day between us, you no go outside, go betray your other brother, no matter what. That be what we call loyalty. If you put day together, whether you day together or you not day together, you never go sell your brother out because you shared something in the past. You no go outside, go talk bad about me because you think say you did the industry already, so they try sabotage my career. They rather go ahead, go meet some people you think say them industry players, so say go spoil my name, so say we no go far. Charlie, this music we they do no be say for the money. I get my money, I do the music for my fans to make them happy. And if an industry player know they like me, if I'm a bang. Sa player no ye pen yenya na ye betia ne ka adwuma no ye manager no abefia be if adwuma wo fie ne atia ne ka. You know they care about anybody. We they do on our own thing. We they do on our own thing for our fans. You know be you these people sell out, ungrateful people. Why you be God? You be God. You be God. Anytime you see somebody where you think say you get money, no, you go attach your body to that person. Then you start to sell out your own people because of the little you go get. Okese1 I dey here. I never call anyone say, yo Charlie, I don't get this money, also help me today. It never go happen. God dey on our side. But always because you know get good mentality. We they give Ghanaians fake life. Then they call people for help. I no go mention names. I no go stress on this issue because I have some people I really respect and they've talked to me say even if I will address this issue, make I take them low. That be why I calm down this evening where I talk. But if you and the Dusty, if you don't know me, now I make you know who I be. And fan show to me say where you're penny and then will be an Accra. Be there on street. If you come on street, ask for Okese1. If you claim say you don't know me, ask Okese1 who I be. Who shall me and you for sure respect. We do things for the street. We be loyal to the street. Do you know people where them boy them they find you so say them go fit do you something so what to do me. But I tell everyone say yo, this guy maybe he be new. He be new to the street. You don't know what he they talk. So relax. Make you know cause anything. Cause music we they do now, you know they want any bad names or anything. So if I make you know who I be, I have told you I'm not under anyone. I be my own boss. The people you think say are they under them way are the support. You know be them way. So make I show you the difference. The people you think say me are they under them. Me, then rather they take them as support from me. No be anything. No be say them way then they support me in some. No. Nobody. Way the music where I do my own music. I put my own money for everything inside. I mean I do everything with my team. So if you know the difference, you for know the difference. So now where you see the difference, make what somebody tell you, give you energy, make you go sit TV top say, Okese1 come, he show disrespect, he come sit down in the press in phone, make you no lie on me, make you no go there, go lie. Because this be what happened. I go there and make my people wait outside. Your producer come call me, say make I enter. I entered, I went there. There were 3 people there, 1 guy and 1 girl, and the Dusty himself. Where he and the Dusty, they talk to the guy, then they argue about rap. So I just entered. I raised my 2 hands as a sign of greeting, because they were live on there. I could not talk. If them say they get camera, make them show the time where I enter the studio, or make everyone see. Them say I no greet. How I go fit enter somebody in studio, I no go greet? It didn't make sense. No matter what, I dey show respect, give everybody. I entered the studio. I raised my two hands. Then I went to sit down. So me, they are not say I make late. So I just dey sit down. I dey wait. Say, oh, you go talk. Say, oh, Okese1, what happened where you make late? Because if you be Sarkodie, if you be Shatawale, if you be anybody where you enter, you make late 1 hour safe. You go look at him face and you go laugh. But swing at the band and say, now who you late? Say. But because you think, say, you see some cute face, some young guy be standing there, you think, say, you see some kiddie. Make you not make my appearance deceive you. I beg you. I don't be kiddie. You bab, I don't be kiddie. And Okese1 cry na wish another day, no na wish ya obia. Men bu obia bonfia na se men dwin se nipa bi eye ketwa chen obi nti wa hia no obekasa ne ho. Obi ankoye artist a oba wo show so be promoting nyom no. Okajan say gentleman, how you want making fans think about them? How you want making fans see am? Nipa no attract fans also to na o say brand no say gentleman. We are some friends say I'm sorry. Nah, Okese1, they love in songs. You love any song. You love my song. You know, you love me where you know me where you will call me a gentleman. If you really knew who I be, you never go say a gentleman, because you know say the time you talk that thing, my boys pack. I left them off outside because they can't do my interview in peace. I no come with war. If you be war, cause you know the goons I go enter the studio with. I beg you, not be war with they can't do for Ghana. So I went there, I sat down, I was patiently waiting to be called or to be talked to. I did there 10 minutes. These guys too, they talk to the guy where they argue with. Meanwhile, I was not in Accra. I drove like 6 hours, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Then I went for that interview. The interview was 8 a.m. So I just entered. I was tired, so I was even relaxing like this in the chair, because rich man where he enter studio, what you want make you do? Maintenance. I first sit down and relax, because you know they talk to me, they talk to other people. So they talk say make I sit down like this or what? No, you know be school I they go. And then people some questions about me, I they come do interview. So I for relax my body. What about the people where they come interview with, then they cross them my legs for them? Ghana there when a mindset be too kolo. And I weigh a penny and I weigh a we they respect the elders. Buy a penny so abu. So I come there 10 minutes, we they talk to somebody else. As you know, say Okese1 in the building. We they talk to somebody else 10 minutes, I they relax, I they wait. So I did there like this, no, then I did on my phone, I did do some 1 or 2 things for my phone top. Then as he say, he moved from the guy to the lady sitting beside me. So, sweetheart, what do you think about this issue? Then. You don't even talk to me, they talk to the girl. So still now I relax and they watch them. So from the girl now straight to me. Gentleman. What do you mean by that, gentleman? Gentleman says, you know, so Okese1 enter your studio. If the boy yourself just talk say Okese1. So how come you know say this show we they do? You know they like any lateness and things. How come you come this late? What you do you know good or this and that? I will know say I make mistake. You come from your mouth no. Gentleman, are you Okese1? What do you mean? So you don't even know what you are doing. Are you a real presenter? Are you a professional one? Gentleman, are you Okese1 or whatever? What do you mean? You for sure respect. Because I'm not here again, come your studio. For sure respect. You for be happy. You for not just talk anyhow. So you start with a gentleman now as he say no, the interview no will come on. So I just did there. Are you Okese1? Then I bore. Because how you go fit come a gentleman? Are you Okese1? This and that. So I just come now. I get closer to the mic. I say Okese1. Even that time I was trying to keep my cool. Okese1. Say, are you okay? Listen to this question. You need to pet your body in. Are you okay? What are you trying to say? I also my about school and I say my bad you been out over because I'm now are you? As I come street or as I did this life inside, nobody ever meets me, talk anyhow to me. So you asking me, are you okay? What are you trying to say? It's a total disrespect. So then call me on radio. Them say Okese1. So right now what you go do? I say before I go talk, make your man apologize before me too. I go talk anything. You accept. You apologize. So I say okay, cool. If you apologize, then me too. I make sure we say I can insult you. Let peace reign. Then no, you go sit on TV talk. They come explain the issue different way. Say Okese1 do this, Okese1 do that. Make you never try that thing again with me, because the next time I go see that thing, it no go be peaceful between me and you. It be one thing I they tell you, I beg you, because if I respect your body, make I respect my body. If you really don't know me, make you know, show me any form of disrespect. I beg you, because me I dey respect everyone. I go Abeku Santana in show. The way you talk, self, it make happy. That day I make happy. Wow, I can't respect that man 100%. Down to earth man, very humble. Me too, I be very humble. So I meet two humble souls meet. It be joy, it be happiness, respect. You meet Okese1, hey, Okese1, I'm out here again. Then. Even if, sorry to say, whether it be fanful or not be fanful self, at least they make you know say they appreciate you. They make you feel good. So say you too, you go. Talk to one nice back. No be say you meet somebody now, you just show them disrespect. That no be how we did. Shouts to Chris Wado. Chris Wado, you be somebody way. Even if we dey talk on phone, he said we could talk, say, oh boss, you this and that and that. You know, be say somebody be somebody in boss. So no. On ocean now, you day up when was answering in the chairman. I dey respect him. But because he get big sense, he be sensible, he knows say if I talk, say Okese1 boss you. Okese1 too go give me my respect that they need. So he talk boss you, me I go talk, see you, oh my boss, this and that and that. It be respect. Nobody say somebody be boss or whatever, but it be respect with the show on a body respect. What I say? But oh I can't tell me say you that. I don't want to talk plenty. I just come explain this issue. And from today going, I know say I go, if any interview come, I will grant them. But if you be presenter, if they come talk to me, I beg you, know how you go arrange your things. Nobody say they give anyone guidelines or something. But disrespect is out. Do your work. Let's promote Ghana music. Let's take it to the top. And let us stop thinking about these unnecessary things where they bring us down. We they put money for this thing inside though. No be play with the play. Look at the video we go shoot for Dubai. You know the budget for that video. Now today, then was a video. You know the budget for that video. Money we put for inside. When the rapper puts that money for such a video inside before, we just come now, we do one. So if I not say we they work, you know they play. This music thing, it be serious. So make you not play with us, I beg you. I go left my fans right now, then try work on some 1 or 2 things. I did my office right now. in my office right now. So yeah, I did my office right now. But I will try. I won't touch on something too. I just see some news, then some show be they talk say xylophone book me where I no go, where another station book me where I no go. So okay, so one day if you call them for interviews, you no go. I beg you, be lying. I can't see the flyer for the xylophone interview. That xylophone interview, I never tell anybody say make somebody go do the xylophone, go make them grant me interview. I never do that. I did there no way my guy they manage the interview thing. No, he sent me that flyer. The time he send the flyer to, he make late. Wait that time to a ball. I don't want to talk on radio or anywhere anymore. So no be say me I talk say made them book where I no go. I no book anything. My guy will go do am. So I make sorry. Say xylophone people they expect me where I no go. And if any other station book me where I no go, I make sorry. But I no be say I plan am or why should I say I no go or I be aware, I no be aware. It just happened. It be coincidence. So the next time I read the book, I go make sure say I go also talk to the people direct, the way they know say we they pull up. God bless everyone and have a good evening. Free